and the wheel is out. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೆರಡು. ನೋಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Alright, so today we're gonna go to Madhu's. It's a tire place. Well, my tire got punctured, the rear wheel. I'm gonna have to check it out, get it fixed until I get a new tire. I don't know how it happened though. On my tenor I had got 2 nails on the rear wheel. In this one I got 2, I guess. Yeah, my dad and I tried to put a mushroom plug. I'll put a picture up here so that you guys know what it is. I guess we didn't put it right, or the hole got too big, I'm not sure. So now I have no choice but to go to Madhu's. They'll remove the wheel, take the tire out, fix the puncture, put the tire back on the wheel, balance it, and then put the wheel back on the bike. Under the bike, whatever. As far as I know, they're the only ones who do that in my city. They have the proper equipments for my bike. They only do cars, to be honest, but they've been known to put on new tires for super bikes, balance it and put it on, and fix punctures for super bikes and stuff. That's why I'm going there. I don't know if I've officially made a thank you video for 2000 subscribers. Yeah, thank you guys for 2000 subscribers. That is just crazy, man. It was, reaching 1k, that was something, because it took me 2 years, I guess. I was pretty inconsistent with my content. 4 to 5 months to reach 2000, and it's going. I have 2200 subscribers now, I think. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it, and I hope we keep growing at this pace. Cons of having a Ducati and being a very casual rider in the city. Yeah, man, Ducati is not for people who ride like me. To be very honest, it's not, because when am I ever gonna go to a track? I don't know. I don't really know. I will go, but then it's not like I'll just spend my whole time over there. Super bikes in general aren't for casual riders in India, is what I'm trying to say. But you like something and you want to have it, just got to do it, man. Just living the age, man. Just living the age. And I'm pretty thankful about it. Try to be as careful and as safe as possible. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹರೀಶ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಪಂಚರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಪಂಚರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್, ವಿ ಹಿಯರ್. Let's go inside, see what's up. That looks like Diablo Rosso. I don't know what that belongs to, but that's huge, man. Bridgestone. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. ನೋಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ. ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಒಂದು 10 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಗಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಒಂಥರ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು, ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಟೆನ್ನರ್ ಮೊದಲಿತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದ. ಹೌದು, ಈ ಬೈಕು ಇದೆ 650 ಇದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು. ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲಾಗಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಬೈಕೆಲ್ಲ 1000 cc ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1103. ಬಂದು 150 cc ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಅದು 1350 cc. ಇದು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಯಬೂಜನ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಟರ್ಬೋ ಬೂಸ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಈ ಬೈಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಿಸೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಇದನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಸಿ, ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ಸಾ. ಇದು ಡುಕಾಟಿ ಶೋರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಒಂದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ರಿಚ್ಮಂಡ್ ಟೌನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸದಾಶಿವನಗರ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಒಂದು ವೀಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಔಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೆರಡು. ಇದು 3 ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂಚೂರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಬಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ದೇ ಡಿಪ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೋಪ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಲೀಕಿಂಗ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಲೀಕ್ಸ್. ಅದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಗ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಅದು ವೀಕ್ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರಶ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ. Oh yeah, there's the mushroom one which my dad and I put. the camera picking it up? I don't know. Hopefully it is. It's right there. If you guys want to get your tires, new tires fixed, come over here to Madhu's. It's pretty good. You guys saw the lobby. There's a even bigger lobby over here where you can just chill when they're doing the work. It's almost all good reviews, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. Nodidin online nodidin. They're like a proper fix, you know, you can get more life out of the tires. The safest option for a tire like this, a Supercross SP, until I get a pair of new tires. Alright, first one in. ಮುಂದೆ ಟೈರು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. Oh, Xbox 360 controllers. Well, if I was free, I would probably play a game in Xbox, but I have to leave soon, so. Oh. Alright. Let's leave. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಸರಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. Alright, tires fixed. I think I've vlogged enough now for a short video. For a short video, I've spoken a lot. Lalbagh. I don't know if I can take my bike inside Lalbagh. You know what I mean. You guys know what I mean. I know there's parking and all that. Like right through all the flowers. Not through the flowers, obviously. The roads, I mean. The roads. I'm sure you guys got what I mean. There won't be much traffic now, I hope. Because it's literally 10 a.m. So until I get new pair of tires, the rear tire will look like it has 2 pimples. Yeah. Oh. You know, sometimes I wonder when there's a road rage or something, they'll be like, name up on the road. What if that person's father owns the road? Like, what then? What do you do then? Like, just coincidentally, ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪಂದೇ ರೋಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? I mean, I have never actually seen that happen. Random traffic thoughts. Let the traffic move, I'll end the vlog. Sometimes I don't know when to end the vlog, because what if there's something to say on the way back? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe. Peace.